Hey friends, did you know that one simple item sitting in your kitchen could solve your health, home, and beauty problems naturally? Yes, I'm talking about baking soda, that magical white powder that's way more powerful than we've been told. Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful and shocking uses of baking soda you probably didn't know and how it can save you money, keep your body healthier, and even make your life easier. Natural teeth whitener. First up, your smile. Baking soda is a natural teeth whitener that dentists actually recommend, especially when used in moderation. It helps remove surface stains caused by coffee, tea, or soda and fights bad breath by balancing the pH in your mouth. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to make a paste. Brush gently for 1 minute, 2 to 3 times a week. Your teeth will thank you naturally and affordably. 2. Odor Eliminator for home. Let's talk about those mystery smells in your house, from your refrigerator to your sneakers. Baking soda absorbs odor instead of masking it like air fresheners. Just sprinkle it inside shoes, trash bins, or in a bowl in your fridge. Within hours, the smell is gone and you've done it without harsh chemicals. 3. Natural skin exfoliant. Baking soda also works as a gentle skin exfoliator. If you struggle with clogged pores, itching, or dull skin, this natural remedy might be your new go-to. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water to form a paste. Massage it gently onto damp skin. Leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse. It helps remove dead skin cells, brighten your complexion, and can even soothe itchy bug bites. 4. Powerful cleaning agent. Forget toxic cleaners. Baking soda can tackle grease, grime, and stains like a pro. So all you need to do is to sprinkle it on your stove top or bathroom sink. Add a bit of vinegar, scrub lightly, and watch the magic happen. It's safe, natural, and leaves no chemical smell behind. Stomach soda. Struggling with indigestion or heartburn? Before you reach for that pill, try this home remedy. Mix half a tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink slowly. It neutralizes stomach acid, giving quick relief. But remember, don't overdo it and always check with your doctor if you have health conditions. Soothing bath soak. If you've had a long day or suffer from skin irritation, baking soda makes a soothing bath soak. Add half cup of baking soda to warm bath water and soak in for 15 to 20 minutes. It helps relieve skin rashes, itchiness, and even detoxifies the skin. Your body will feel relaxed, soft, and renewed. 7. Brighten laundry naturally. Tired of your whites looking grey or dingy? Baking soda brightens laundry without bleach. Add half cup of baking soda to your washing machine along with your detergent. It softens hard water, boosts detergent power, and removes stains and odors naturally. 8. It serves as a natural deodorant alternative. Commercial deodorants are full of chemicals that some people react to. Baking soda can be a natural alternative that works actually fine. Pat a small amount under your arms after showering. You can even mix it with coconut oil for a smoother feel. It neutralizes odor without clogging pores or using harsh aluminum compounds. 9. Antifungal foot soak. If you are dealing with foot odor, fungal infections, or just tired feet, this one's for you. Soak your feet in warm water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda for 15 minutes. It kills bacteria, reduces odor, and softens calluses. Perfect for keeping feet fresh and healthy. 10. Clean pesticides of produce. Want to make sure your fruits and veggies are truly clean? Fill a bowl with water and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Soak produce for 12 to 15 minutes in that water. Study shows it can help remove surface pesticides more effectively than plain water. So now you know that baking soda is more than just for baking cakes. It's a powerful natural solution for your home, your health, and skin. So, which one of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you've tried any of these suggested options, also do well to share with us how you did it and your experience using it. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to know this baking soda hacks. Until the next time, when I'll be seeing you in my video, please take good care of yourself because green health cares.